guys, it's Dahlia here, helping you to achieve an international career and to travel more. And today I am in Lanzarote in the Canary Islands. I hope you can hear me because it's pretty windy. I don't know if you're getting that wind noise right now. Let me know. I can always move to maybe another sand dune, which might block the wind a little bit better. But anyway, yeah, because it's early in the morning, the sun is just rising now and I have a little bit of time before going surfing. I thought I would hop on here and say hi and show you this amazing view. So this is Canary Beach and it's known as one of the best surfing spots on the island. And for me, this is the first time I ever surf in my life. So there have been some really good beginner waves for me, but as I understand, they also have some good waves for more advanced surfers. Who here has already surfed before? Let me know. I was really proud of myself because yesterday I actually managed to stand up on my board. So that was really, really exciting. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know, Lanzarote is definitely a place for the bucket list. It has these amazing cliffs, as you can see over there. And this is the first time I ever see a volcano as well, because there's a lot of volcanic rock all over the island and some volcanoes. I'm learning a lot of amazing history. Yesterday I went to this really cool cactus garden which had the biggest cacti I've ever seen in my life. It doesn't sound that amazing, but I'll post some pictures later. It's really, really, really cool. So yeah, really, really nice place. And I'm getting to spend some time with a good friend, doing meditation, doing yoga, all together a really, really great way to finish off the year. And by the way, if any of you are thinking of doing a solo trip in the new year, surf school is actually a really good way to travel solo and meet a lot of cool people. Like, there are so many people here from all over the world, and there's lots of solo travelers and really, really easy to meet each other. So if any of you are wondering what to do for a solo trip, that's also a really good option. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to say I'm really, really grateful to be here without having to, you know, take time off work or quit my job to travel or anything like that. I'm really happy to have just found the formula to actually be able to maintain this kind of work-life balance, do these kind of travels, see these amazing places, learn how to surf, you know, get some yoga and meditation in without having to quit my job or anything like that. So I would love to know in the comments, what is a place that you're dying to go to that because of work and all of your engagements you haven't been able to make it to yet? What is kind of that place on your bucket list or those places that you would love to get to?